Welcome to the Module 4 finale, Lesson 4.4, the native voice layer. In Lesson 4.3, the agent stopped sounding like a translation app. It started writing native. Today, we go one step further. The agent stops just writing native. It starts speaking native. Voice cloning per language. When the customer sends an audio message, the agent replies with a voice that sounds local, optional but powerful, and finishes the Module 4 stack. Let's wire it. Welcome to Lesson 4.4, the Module 4 finale, the native voice layer. After this lesson, your agent doesn't just write in 5 languages, it speaks in 5 voices, 1 native per language. Optional layer, big perceived value. What we're building today. 4 moves. 1. Source or record a 5-minute voice sample for each language from a native speaker. 2. Clone each voice using ElevenLabs Voice Cloning. 3. Wire a per language voice map. Detected language gets the matched voice ID. 4. Text to speech, the Claude response. Then send it as a WhatsApp audio message. By the end, when a customer messages in Kirundi, they hear back in a native Kirundi voice. 3 things before you start. 1. Lesson 4.3 Multilingual Stack Live. 5 prompts plus 5 knowledge base shards. 2. An ElevenLabs Creator or Pro plan. Voice cloning is paid, not free tier. Plan on $22 to $99 a month depending on volume. 3. 1. Consenting native speaker per language, willing to provide a clean 5-minute audio sample. Don't clone without explicit consent. Step 1. Source the voice samples. For each language, you need 5 minutes of clean audio from a native speaker. No background noise, no music, just talking. Preferably reading a varied script that covers tones, numbers, greetings, polite phrases. Quality matters more than length. A great 5-minute sample beats a noisy 30-minute one. Many entrepreneurs use their own voice for one language and a native partner or freelancer for the others. Always get written consent before cloning. Step 2. Clone each voice. Inside ElevenLabs, go to Voice Lab, then Add Voice, then Instant Voice Clone. Upload the 5-minute sample. Name it clearly. For example, agent_voice_French, agent_voice_Swahili. ElevenLabs returns a voice ID for each one. Save those 5 voice IDs. The clone is ready in under 60 seconds. Test each voice on a sample sentence in the matching language before you wire it into production. Step 3. The per language voice map. Same pattern as the prompt and knowledge base map from lesson 4.3. A simple configuration object. Key, language code, FRNSWR, Value, the voice ID from ElevenLabs. When the detector returns the language, your code looks up the matching voice ID. The complexity stays low because the configuration is data, not code branches. Step 4. Text-to-speech the response. After Claude generates the reply in the matched language, send the text to ElevenLabs text-to-speech endpoint with the matched voice ID. Use the Eleven multilingual V2 model. It handles all 5 languages cleanly. ElevenLabs returns an MP3 file. Save it to temporary storage on your server, ready to send. Step 5. Send as a WhatsApp audio message. WhatsApp Cloud API supports audio messages natively. Upload the MP3 to Meta's media endpoint, get a media ID, then send a message of type audio with that ID. The customer's phone receives a voice note. They tap play. They hear the agent speak in their language with a voice that sounds native. Magic. But it's just 5 connected APIs. Cost reality. ElevenLabs Creator plan, $22 a month, 100,000 characters of TTS, includes voice cloning. ElevenLabs Pro plan, $99 a month, 500,000 characters, professional voice cloning quality. Typical voice reply averages 2 to 300 characters. So a Creator plan covers about 300 audio replies per month. WhatsApp audio message delivery, no extra cost beyond the conversation pricing from Module 3. Marginal cost to add voice on top of an existing text agent, between $22 and $99 per month. Module 4 recap. Lesson 4.1, the 5 pillars of multilingual. Lesson 4.2, the language detector at the gate. Lesson 4.3, native prompts plus native knowledge bases per language. Lesson 4.4 today, the optional voice layer with cloned voices per language. Your agent now detects, greets, replies, retrieves, sounds native across 5 languages. Module 5 next. Integrations and workflows. CRM, payments, booking, voice calls, handoff to humans. The end-to-end operational picture. See you there. Module 4 is complete. The agent doesn't just understand your customers, it speaks back to them in their language with a voice that sounds local. You built a stack that reaches 4 times more African customers without quadrupling your team. Module 5 next, integrations. CRM, payments, booking, voice calls, human handoff, the operational backbone. Before you go, like the video, comment which voice you'll clone first, share with the partner who's helping you ship. See you in Module 5.